Okay, our cell analogy is a race. We chose our cell analogy to be a racetrack because we thought it represented all the cell parts pretty well.
Yeah. Okay. And to start off, we have chosen the car to be the nucleus because it controls like where stuff goes as like the cells or things in the cell. It goes through the little channels. We have chosen the engine as the mitochondria because it fuels the cell, so it gives it energy. We have chosen the cytoplasm as the gas in the car because it provides that energy. We have chosen the lysosome as the exhaust because it packs and stores and gets rid of waste.
And we've chosen the driver as the vesicle because it gets in and out of the cell carrying life-supporting materials. And we've chosen the racetrack as a cell membrane because it protects the fans from the track in cars, and it directs the flow of the race cars. And we've chosen the gas tank as the Golgi body because it sorts through the gas and then fuels the car. And we've chosen the pit crew as the ribosomes because it assembles all the car and all its electronics. And the race car hauler is the endoplasmic reticulum because it carries materials and transports them to different places.
And that's why we chose an animal cell to be a racetrack.